Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I am making Pop Tarts and I'm going to be using this store-bought pie crust to make them. They're so easy and so delicious. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. So the first Pop Tart that I'm going to make is probably my favorite, brown sugar and cinnamon. All right, I'm just going to unroll the pie crust. Onto a baking tray here that I've lined with parchment paper. All right, then I'm going to mix up my brown sugar mixture. I've got a half of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So give this a mix. Then 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, then just pour the brown sugar mixture onto your pie crust. All right, then I'm going to spread it out, but I'm going to be very careful because I want to leave a border. All right, so what I have here is 1 beaten egg, and I'm just going to put brush egg all around that border because this is going to be our glue that's going to hold these pie crusts together, and place it on top. And then I'm just going to take a fork and go all along the edge. Okay, then bake in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And the next Pop Tart I'm going to make is a strawberry Pop Tart. And I'm just using some strawberry jam. So you will need a half of a cup of strawberry jam. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. All right, then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to spread the strawberry jam out onto your pie crust. But you want to leave that border. Now, time for the egg wash all around the border. All right. Okay, I almost forgot to mention to cut just a little slit in the center of your pie. Both my Pop Tarts are out of the oven, and now I'm going to make the icing to go on top. For the brown sugar and cinnamon Pop Tart, I have a half of a cup of powdered sugar and a half of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. So that's about 1.5 tablespoons of milk. I know that does not look like a lot of icing, but we don't need much. Just a thin layer spread on top. All right, and then just spread it out evenly. And now I'm going to make the icing for the strawberry Pop Tart. Same thing, half a cup of powdered sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of milk. And then I'm going to just squirt in some pink food coloring. All right, same thing. Spread this icing out on top. So now I'm just going to take a pizza cutter and I'm just going to cut the Pop-Tart into little triangles. Triangles of goodness. All right, so now it is time for the taste test. Oh my God. That literally tastes just like a Pop-Tart, but so much better. These make the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. Your kids will love them, and you can make any variety you want. Any fruit jam will work. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.